Yep, I'm here on 8th and Flower, downtown LA, getting ready to do my thing. All this stuff is here because of cement and rebar. So yeah, we're even working while it's raining. I didn't like that, but you gotta pay the bills until you get your own. I'm trying to figure out where I want to eat because I'm gonna be here for a hot minute. I always go in here, but I may try some pizza or something. Yeah, well, at least we have fresh air for about 7-8 hours. You know how LA is. I'm just walking around, stretching my legs.
My cousin Ryan.
Let's go, Ryan.
Yeah, my legs be hurting, man. Being in that truck damn near all day. Down in the alley. There go Figueroa. We're around by the Staples. All this stuff cracking. It's a little Brazilian spot right here. Look who eating good. Wonder why they don't work. Because they probably own income properties. And they don't have to. Or they work somewhere that pays a great wage. I'm not jealous, but I'm just a peeper of life. I peep game. And I learn. And I love to study people. I use my eyes to figure out people and how to come at them. You know? Because you have to know how to evade certain things in the jungle, and I live in a concrete one. And if you don't know how to evade certain things, you could get messed up. So I know my tundra.
It's like a self-dump.
So yeah, just stretching my legs, walking around. About to go back over here at the job site. My man over there, Gregardio, him and the pump man don't like each other. It's hilarious. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's going down downtown LA. All right, FB.